for about 5 minutes. And there's a fallow croaking as soon as I got here. There's 4 deer out in that paddock. There's a big buck off his head. Hopefully you can hear it. I'll see if I can get some footage of him. Stay tuned. Could you imagine a more beautiful place to go looking for deer? This is beautiful. It's like an amazing rainforest. Clear, crystal clear water. Look at all that deer action. Looks like a buck scrape. He's gone to town on this tree. He shredded it. Another nice buck scrape. Nice and stinky. Let's see if we can find him. Oh, there's one up there. I think it's a doe. Alright, she's gone behind some trees. Let's move up there quietly. Just found a very fresh scrape. And the buck's pissed in it and everything. Smells really strong of deer just here. And I'm pretty sure that this is one of their bedding areas. At least during the day. I've seen them down here. That's good news. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. We're about 5 meters away. Got to him. I got within about 5 meters of him. Croaking. I tried to get a video of it, but it wasn't very good. I didn't want him to see me. He's a beautiful buck. It's my first ever fallow buck. I can't tell you how excited I am. Bow range. I wish I brought my bow. He's just done kicking. Let's go have a look. Oh my gosh, he's beautiful. I can still hear 1 or 2 other bucks croaking in the distance. Oh, he was just sitting there by himself. Wow. Oh man, look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. I can't believe this. Look at this horse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Man, he is absolutely Beautiful. He's massive. Look at this deer. Oh my gosh. My first buck ever. And he is just a beautiful, beautiful animal. Look at that thick neck. Croaking away. Wow, he's got a beautiful cape. Oh man, I just couldn't be happier. So this is one of the greatest hunting moments of my life. It's the first time I've ever shot a really decent trophy buck or a trophy animal in the classic sense. Any adventure is special to me, but it's nice to put something on the ground that is such a good representation of the animal. And this thing is amazing. Just take a little look at him. He's got really good size. Big boy, big thick neck. Most fallow I've seen of sort of half this size. He's a bit of a moose. Great looking animal. Amazing experience. Let's get this boy caped out and do him the honors. All the meat sorted. Okay, time for the little pack out. I think I'm going to try and get this guy to a taxidermist. I was going to spend the weekend hunting this area, but I'm not really confident in caping out his face, so we'll get him to a taxi who knows what he's doing, get him fixed up, get this rack sorted out and on the wall, get the meat all chopped up, get that in the freezer. Happy days. What an insane experience. Second time coming to this area. Wasn't sure exactly what I would find. Oh look, there's a few deer around still. There they go. And I leave with a 4 or 5 year old, pretty heavy buck. He's really, really pretty. Anyway, I'm very happy with him. Thanks for coming along the ride with me. And until next time, take it easy.